My paint is almost finished. My cone has almost dried up. So what I am doing, I am using my another hand and I am using the cone work by my two hands. This will give my cone a better control and I can give a same amount of dot design in every part. So this is how the painting is looking like now. You can see the 3D look and how beautiful the embossing gold work of the gold work and the stone work is looking like. It's really amazing. Now we will do the thicker border and after that we will finish our own work. So as you can see, I have already given a single line with the gold liner. Now with the same liner, I will move the liner a little bit down and insert some more material, another line inside the previous line so that it will combine and give a thicker line. It should not be two outer line, it should be one single line. So if there is any visible mark of two line, I will hide that with some more additional cone material. So you can see again, I am first making a normal cone line and I am attaching the canvas with the tip of the cone and inserting another material of the cone inside of the previous material so that it gave a more thicker look and more thicker line. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Varli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. So our cone work is done. It is completely dried up. I'm coming back after one day. And now it's time to do our small stone work. You can see these are the small stone that is available in the market and using that I will do the stone work. This is the stone that we previously used, which are large type of stone, and today I will use both of the stones for making our stone work. So let's start with the first one. Please remember one more time that each and every cone work of mine are dried up till now. So there will be no harm if I do another set of work. I am taking some fabric glue over my hand as usual. You can do and put it in any places, but I feel it handy so I am doing it. And I am just adding a drop of round cone in the center of the flower. Now we won't wait for the semi-dry state. I will add some of the glue at the back of a brush and then place it over the cone and just press it so that it will give a emboss kind of look. Let's now have a closer look. Adding cone material, add. make a spear out of the cone work, and then with the help of a paintbrush, just placing one stone at the center, remove it and carefully make it press so that it will give a embossed look. Don't worry, it is super easy. As you can see how the cone work is surrounded by the stone, which is looking so pretty. Let's look another one. Making a spear incorporating much cone work, then add a stone at the right center part at the top. Carefully place it. Be very careful and gentle. Don't try to destroy the cone work because it's very gentle right now, and make it an embossed kind of stone. Let's now finish doing all other stone work. At this point of time, if you have any question, don't forget to ask me. I will happy to answer your each and every doubt. You will always find some material to work with. Just don't stop doing it because you don't have the right material. If you want, you can do it with any sort of material. So material is not a problem, my friend. So I will highly suggest you start doing whatever material you have in your locality or your home. I bet you will do amazing with the Jaipur art. Now it is the time for the small flowers, and for that we will use the small stone that are available. So the method would be same, just the stone size and the cone spear size will be smaller. Believe me, working with this kind of stones is really difficult, and it's so much difficult to handle this small kind of stones that I can't really imagine. So I took a tweezer, and using that now I am placing it. So you can see how beautiful the cone gold work is looking right now. It will look more gorgeous after we do the coloring in the next session. So hold your belt tight. We will meet again in the next session. Bye bye. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code, and after that click on enroll now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.